Welcome back to my channel. In this episode we'll create a console command that posts an AI generated joke to our Telegram channel. Okay, let's get started. Let's create a console command named publish post using the make command artisan command. In PHP Storm, let's locate the publish post console command and define values for the signature and description properties of the class. Let's remember the signature. This is the value we'll use later to call our command from the console. The handle method will be called when our command is executed. Let's place command logic in this method. I'm injecting AI service and Telegram service in the handle method. After that, let the AI service generate our post. Here, I intentionally call the non-existent post method instead of run method. We'll change the run method to post later along with its signature. Then let's use the Telegram service to publish it. And finally, we can print a message in the console that our post has been successfully published. Now let's go to the AI service class and change the run method to post. Change the method name to post, add the required parameter content and an optional system, which by default is an empty string. Our request will be stored in content variable. The system message helps set the behavior of the AI assistant. Next, edit the messages array to allow set a value for the system role. And let's remove the hard-coded value for the user role. We'll determine it through the content attribute. Okay, let's go back to the publish post class and pass the arguments to the post method. For example, I want the AI service to generate a joke. So as the first argument, I'll write, for example, write a funny new hilarious joke. As the second argument, our system variable, I'll set how about you are an experienced skilled professional comedian like Louis C.K. or George Carlin. Let's go to the console and call our command and check the result in the Telegram channel. Seems like too long joke in my opinion. Let's make it shorter. Okay, let's execute the command again and check the result in our Telegram channel. Much better. Now let's work on the AI service class. I'm gonna refactor it a bit and format the code. I would like to add one more method to generate images. Yes, you heard it right. OpenAI can generate not only text but also images based on a description. For this case, let's take a curl example from the official documentation. Copy and paste it. Let's add image URL property and transform the curl into a valid request to the OpenAI API using the HTTP facade. Also, don't forget to pick out the codes of the publish method. Our image methods will have two parameters. One required prompt needed for describing the generated image, and the second size will be set to 1024. This just means that the image will be 1024 pixels. You can use different sizes. Check the documentation for specifics. Okay, a bit more refactoring and we are done. Okay, let's go to the web route file. I'm gonna inject AI service, call the image method, and dump the result. For the required argument, pass the description of the image. It's gonna be the logo for Telegram channel dedicated to AI generated jokes. Next, we need to start Laravel's local development server using the artisan serve command. Visit localhost 8000 and see what OpenAI generated for us. Not bad. Let's save it. Also, let's remember the response structure from the server and edit the image method. Well, actually, we just need to specify the URL path. Now let's post the generated AI joke to our channel. And let's change the channel's logo since AI generated it for us. Okay, that's all for today. In this episode, we used AI service to generate a joke and a Telegram service to post it in our Telegram channel. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Okay, until next time, happy coding!